Alexa, stop.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to my college morning routine.
Just realized I never introduced myself. If you guys are new, hello, I am Mckenzie, a sophomore fashion merchandising student at Kent State University. And despite what I look like, I actually am a morning person. I'm just starting off the morning by brushing my teeth and putting a little bit of aloe on my face, heading back into my bedroom and making my bed. My favorite way to start my day. Makes the room feel clean, and since I am living alone, I am really enjoying, just keeping the space nice and tidy.
Sun's out for the first time in days. Next up, I'm gonna get ready for the day. Whether I'm filming, shooting, or not, I get ready every single day. I do my hair and makeup just because it makes me feel better and it makes me more productive, if I'm being honest, if I feel better about myself. So I'm just gonna go in and do my everyday makeup. I will link it in the cards right here, my everyday makeup routine. If you are curious, I do the same thing literally every single day. Alright, makeup is done. Nothing fancy today, like I said, just my everyday makeup, which you can see a little bit better if I turn here. Okay, and now we're gonna go do my hair. I am notorious for second, third, fourth day hair, but I washed it last night because it was time. And so today I'm just gonna pop a few curls in it. I never ever leave my hair natural because, as you can tell, it's a little wild. But yeah, I'm just taking the Conair Infinity Pro 1.5 inch. It's a real curling iron with a clamp, but I just use it as a wand. Alright, hair is curled. Honestly, ever since I've gotten it cut, I'm not a huge fan of the way that it holds a curl, but it'll look a little better on day 2 when it's a little bit dirty, but since it's clean, yeah. Okay, so on a typical day, I would wake up and the first thing that I would do is edit a Vlogmas episode. I like to get all of my blog and YouTube tasks out of the way for the most part before lunchtime. That is typically what I like to do. But I am I'm not doing Vlogmas. I am doing Vlogmas. I'm daily uploading. I'm just not uploading vlogs every day. And so a lot of mornings I will edit the video that is going up that day. However, the video that's going up today is the one I'm filming right now. So instead of editing this morning, I am still going to be doing a task. I'm actually going to be filming a video. It's very rare that I film in the morning, but the sun has not been out in Ohio in over a week, and it's finally out, and I'm afraid if I don't film right now when the lighting's good in my room, it's going to leave. So I'm going to film tomorrow's video, which is actually going to be 5 holiday outfit ideas, and it's going to be a collaboration. And so right now I am just picking out the pieces to film with that video. I already have 3 outfits picked out, and now I just need to pick out the other 2. I'm gonna set my camera up and I'm just going to film right now. It's 9:07 for reference. I woke up at 8:30. Just filmed, put everything away, and got dressed for the day. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing real quick. Super simple, but I do get dressed every single day, even if some days it's in sweats, some days it's in a dress, other days I just go for something really simple like this. I just got on jeans from Express. My bodysuit is from Shein. I've just got on my silver heron M necklace, and then I've got on my Fossil watch and Ana Luisa bracelet, Ana Luisa rings. Hoops are from Shein, and I've got my blue light glasses on. Been trying to wear them more lately just because my eyes have been wrecked. And now we are gonna make some breakfast. I don't make breakfast every day. It just depends. You know, that's what's hard about morning routines, is that in college, like, I feel like every day is different. But, you know, it's final season, and because I'm gonna spend a good chunk of my day studying and, like, you know, I figured it's probably good and nutritious for me to put some nutrients in my body. So that's what we're gonna do this morning. I make the same smoothie pretty much every time I make smoothies. Sometimes I have bagel sandwiches, but I forgot to take out bacon last night. So basically I just put in a handful of this fruit medley. It's pineapple, strawberries, mango, and peaches. Love it. Live it. I'm in a weird mood this morning. Okay, then I take a little bit of honey and I just put like a little squirt in like that. Not a whole lot. And then I'm like acting like I'm showing you a makeup tutorial, but I'm really just, you know, making a smoothie. Then I take a little bit of a heaping spoonful Greek yogurt. This is vanilla. Sometimes I do plain, just depends on what I have. And then I take a little bit of OJ. And if the orange juice isn't enough to like make it blend, I'll do water for the rest of it, just because, I don't know. That's what I do. Okay, I use a NutriBullet. Let's see how she is. Delicious. All right, let's go make a to-do list. So every single morning I make a to-do list. I just have been using this random notes pad that my grandma sent me for Halloween. It's really cute. And I write down everything that needs to be done today. I actually already did a couple of the things, but I like to write everything that I do on my day on this to-do list. So even though I already filmed the 5 outfits and I got ready, I still like to write it down so I can check it off. Okay, so the only other thing that I'm going to do before I start like getting into like finals week mode is I'm going to post my Instagram photo. It's not Wednesday, so I'm not uploading a blog post today, but I still like to upload an Instagram photo. You know, I do that every single day. And so today I'm going to be posting a sponsored post for Boohoo. I just go in, I link everything through reward style and upload that. All right, photo is posted. Coincidentally, I'm wearing the exact same top right now. This blog post is actually gonna go up later this week, and then I typically would update my stories with whatever video is published today. Like I said, I haven't published my video yet today, but that photo does correspond to this story session I did yesterday trying on all of this new loungewear. So now that I am done with that, I am switching over to schoolwork. This is kind of like a finals week morning routine because we are obviously in finals week mode. Next week I have 4 finals. Today I have 1, and it's not like a final exam, like it's not cumulative, it's just technically our last midterm. It's for my econ class, and I'm so ready for this class to be over. So before I take this exam, I actually am just going to go through the like 8.5 by 11 cheat sheet he allows us to use on the exam, and I'm going to spend some time making sure that everything I want is on it, go through and highlight like the definitions and stuff, kind of bold what's necessary, and then I'm going to print this out. I'm also going to look through my old practice quizzes, and I'm going to find the things that I got wrong and just kind of go over that a little bit more. So I just got in about an hour and a half worth of studying. I went through tons of old practice quizzes. I flipped through all of my lectures that I had obviously written down and taken notes with over the semester. And I took a couple of more practice quizzes and just perfected my cheat sheets and looked those over a few more times. It is actually 12:15 now, so I am going to kind of close off this video because obviously it is no longer morning. It's time for me to eat lunch. I have a class to attend, and then as soon as that class is over, I'm going to take this exam, and this will pretty much be my routine for the next week or so. Just studied for exams for a majority of the day. And of course I do other things throughout my days. You guys see that in my vlogs, but this next week I really just need to crack down and end this semester off on a strong note. I hope you guys are doing well, and if you have exams, finals this week, good luck. I'm thinking of you. Push through. I mean, it's the home stretch, baby. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and if you're new, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Bye, guys.